In this portrait, I've tried to capture Lou Diamond Phillips, a performer with incredible depth and grace. His characters often carry quiet intensity, and that's what inspired this sketch. I use layered shading and muted tones to bring out his calm expression and the strength in his eyes. Every stroke here aims to reflect his journey, from Bamba to many unforgettable roles. This artwork is my small tribute to a true Hollywood legend.
Sa Larawang Ito, Sinubukan Kong Ipakita si Lou Diamond Phillips. Ising actor na kalala sa kanyang lalam at kahusayan. Madalas na yang ipakita ang katahimakan na may lakas, at iyan ang inspirasyon sa sketch na ito. Gumamit ako ng mga malalambat na anino at linya upang ipakita ang kanyang tahimik ng unit matatag na anyo. Ang likang signing na ito ay isang munting pagpupugay sa isang tunay na alamat ng Hollywood.